Was driving last Friday on our way to Cincinnati on a snow like Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mama and her daddy with the baby in the backseat. 50 miles to go when she was running home and taking gasoline. It's been a long, hard year. Had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew it, she was sitting on a thin white shitty spot. She saw both their lives flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. She said, "Take the wheel, take it from my hand. I can't do this on my own. I'ma let it go. So give me one more chance. Save me from this road alone." Jesus, take the wheel. It was still getting colder when she made it to the shoulder when the car came to a stop. Right when she saw that baby in the backseat sleeping like a rock. For the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, "I'm sorry for the way I've been living my life. No, I've got to change. So from now on tonight, just take the wheel, take it from my hand. So I can't do this on my own. I'll let it go. So give me one more chance. Save me from this road I'm on. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, I'ma let it go. So give me one more chance. Save me from this road I'm on. From this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. Take it, take it from me.